Hi everyone. This tutorial will show you how to request an educator account as a community college educator on RaiseMe. So we're going to start at the raise.me website and click the I'm an Educator tab. Then you'll want to select that you're a community college educator. We are going to ask for your email address and ask you to please use the email address that's associated with the institution that you work at. We use this information as one of the tools available to us to confirm your identity to make sure that you work at the institution that you claim to work at. Once you submit that information, we're going to ask for a few demographic items from you, such as your name, which institution that you work at, and also a little bit about your role at the institution and how many students you work with. This information helps us understand how educators are using RaiseMe to connect students with scholarships and how students are using the portfolio. Once you submit this information to RaiseMe, you'll be able to log into your educator site and see how many of your current students have already found us. You'll notice at the bottom that there's an option to verify your account. When you select that option, you're going to be sent an email from RaiseMe that sends you a code that you can enter in this box, or upon receiving that email, you'll notice a blue Verify Your Email button. When you select that, you'll enter our verification queue, and once you're verified, you'll have access to all the students in your portfolio. We hope this was helpful and hope to see you soon.